Hi friends, welcome you all to my research page. This is Dr. Uma Rani Purushothaman. Actually, as I already told you the different types of research, the next important thing I know what we all must learn is regarding how we have to structure the article. That is very, very important. I will just show you the structure of the article and then explain to you little by little. Okay. So, this is the structure of the article I have given. First, we have to decide the organization where I am going to do my study and the area of my study. Okay, I have given, I can either select a company, or I can go for individual problem, or I can go for a societal problem. And when I say area of research, obviously I can either do in HR or I can do in marketing, then I can also do in finance, any area, whatever I like I can do in that particular area. That is the first thing we have to decide upon. And the second important factor what we have to remember is we have to fix a title, and the title, whatever we are selecting, it should be little catchy. That is very important, and it should not be very in a very simple words. And similarly, the title should be related to the current issue. Don't do article on outmoded topics which many people have already done. Do not do that. So always it is better to do something related to the current problem. That is why I have chosen the sustainability of self-help group under the COVID-19 period. Okay, so we all know that how much the self-help group women are suffering to sustain in spite of this pandemic and the period. So that we are going to do a research on that. So that is my title, Sustainability of Self-help Group under the COVID-19 period. Okay, and then second thing what I have to do is I have to write a small abstract. Briefly I have to explain what about I am going to discuss. Okay, so that is what is called as abstract, where I will mention about what is meant by SHG, self-help group, and what is that they are doing, and how do they get financial assistance, and how they are what are the problems they face in marketing, and how they are acquiring skills. All that small things I will be discussing in abstract. And finally I should definitely write keywords. So when I write keywords means some important in the words what is related to my topic. So definitely my keyword will be SHG, self-help group, then sustainability and resilience, how much efforts they are taking. This can be my keywords. And then I will go for my introduction. Okay, where I will shortly explain about the self-help group and what are all they are doing, and a little more elaborately I will explain. Always it is better to start with a quote when you write your introduction part. So here I am telling you there is always a silver line behind dark cloud, which means it is an indication that definitely the self-help group will come up after the pandemic gets over. So like that, some inspiring quotes we give that will be little motivational. So we have to continue with the introduction. So this is how I think we should start. Maybe the next part I will explain to you tomorrow. And please again you can have again the look at that. Decide the organization and area and fix the title. I have fixed it as Sustainability of Self-help Group under COVID pandemic era. Abstract, give briefly, and then keywords. After that I have my introduction. I will be elaborately explaining about these women, how they are doing, how they are empowering themselves, and I am starting with a quote, there is a silver lining behind the dark cloud. So with that I will wind up today. Again I will in the next video I will explain you the next part. Thank you friends for your patience listening. I will explain to you next.